With temperature rising over 40 degrees of Celsius, who wants to stay in a kitchen for a long period of time? So, beat the heat with these refreshing, no-cook cold sandwiches which are very easy to make yet so refreshing. This darling is made with cool curd, crunchy veggies, protein-rich paneer and a dash of chili, making it a perfect antidote for this summer. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Varsha and I'm a fitness enthusiast. In today's video, I will be making these 5 minutes no cooking cold sandwiches which are just perfect for this summer season. So while I enjoy them, you have a quick look at the list of the ingredients.